Hey guys, welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to deactivate TikTok account. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account, you just have to simply go ahead and of course open up the TikTok application into your device. Now from here guys, you just have to simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner, and a side tab will show up. And now from here, guys, you just have to simply go ahead and select settings and privacy at the bottom of the selection. Now, over here, you just have to simply go for the account at the very top of the screen. And now down below, you should have an option over here, deactivate or delete account. So from here, just simply go ahead and tap on deactivate or delete account. And now from here, guys, as you can see, you will have an option over here. The first one, deactivate account. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, when you deactivate your account, no one can see your account, but your posts and your data are still available once you reactivated it. And now you will have the information over here on what will happen if you deactivate your account. And just simply select deactivate. And now from here, of course, an email will be sent to you, and just simply provide the code that is sent to you. So guys, the email will look something like this. Of course, just simply copy this one, go to TikTok, and just simply paste it over here. And after that, just simply select deactivate account in order for you to proceed. And you will have the last warning if you are sure you want to deactivate. Of course, tap on deactivate. And from here, it will automatically lag out into your account. And when you go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, as you can see, you will not have an account log in. And there you go.